Welcome to day 23 of learning Python. It's practice time. I have created a folder and I have solved the questions already. So I will just explain. In this practice set, we are going to cover strings in Python, string slicing, indexing, method, functions, formatting, f strings, and string manipulation. Okay, we'll start with the first question. Create a string variable name with your full name and print the first character, last character, and length of the string. Okay. Uh, we know that for the first character we have to use indexing, that is 0, and the last character again -1, and for the length of the character we are going to use len function. If I try to run this one, we are going to see that b, that is first character, and y, that was last character, and length of the function, that is 5 characters in Barry. Okay, that's good. We'll move to second question. Concatenate two strings, hello and world, with a space in between. Okay, I will give 1 second. Solve the questions. If you are not able to solve the question, then you can pause the video, then solve the question, then you can check the answer. Yes, we have two methods for this. First, we are going to define the strings str1 and str2, hello world, and print str plus and the space plus str2. That is one method. And the second method is str comma str2. We know that the comma will be space. As you can see, hello world is printed with the space. Okay, we'll move to the second question. Given text equal to Python programming, do the following: print the first 6 characters, print the last 6 characters, okay, and print every second character from the string. Okay, for the first character, we know that 0 to 6 we can use, 0 to 6 index we can use, and for the last character, we can use the negative indices, and for every second character we can use there is two method actually. I mentioned already, 0 to 6, and for the last 6 character -6 to, that will cover the all the remaining. If I didn't mention anything, it will be length of the character. Okay, for the skipping every second character we have two methods actually. uh, this is a very simple way actually. I'll put column two times, that means it will check the whole string, then it will skip the every second character. P, y is not printed, t, h is not printed, o, n is not printed. This is the second method we are going to see, that is, if I didn't mention anything, it will be, we know that it will be 0, and here it is 18, the length of the character, and third number mentions the skipping characters. If I run this, p is printed and y didn't print, t is printed, s didn't print, o is printed, n didn't print. Like that it will move on. Okay, we'll move to 2.2.2 question. Reverse the string using text using reverse the string's text using slicing method. Okay, this is something new maybe for you. If we use something like double column and -1, it will going to reverse the string. If you see here, the Python programming printed in the reverse order. We can always practice. Okay, we'll move to third question. Taking the string I love Python programming and remove extra space from the both ends. Convert second is convert into title case and count how many O appears. Okay, we know that for the removing the extra spaces from the both end, we'll use strip function. To convert into title case, again we'll use title, and for the counting we'll use count function. If I select, okay, as you can see, strip is used to strip the white spaces in the both end. Title, it will capitalize the first character in the string, and count, it will count the O in the Python the string. As you can see, it removed the white spaces in the string, and the title made it capitalize the first character from the word in the string. And count function counted the O three times. As we can see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll move on to 3.2. Check if string 123 ABC is alphanumeric. We know that there is a function like is alphanum is used to check the string is alphanumeric or not. In this case, we use the same function is alphanum alnum, and we used the if else statement also. If str alphanum is alphanumeric, it will print yes, this string is alphanumeric. Else, if it is not matching this statement, it will print that this string is not alphanumeric. As you can see, this is alphanumeric. Okay, we'll move to fourth question. Using format, create a sentence. My name is John and I am 25 years old. By passing John and 25 as a variable. Do the same for using f strings. It's very easy actually. We are going to define the name and age first, then we are going to print with the curly brackets. My name is curly brackets and I am curly brackets again years old dot format. Name and age will be printed. If I try to run, my name is John and I am 25 years old. Okay, this is again very simple using f strings. Again, name and age is defined in the same sentence. We'll use f, then we'll define the string with the curly brackets and with the value inside it. Okay, we'll move to the fifth question, string manipulation challenges. Given the sentence coding in Python is fun, replace the fun with awesome and print it. We know that we can use replace function for this. Find the index of Python in the sentence. Again, we'll use find method, convert the entire sentence to uppercase. We know that we'll use upper. Okay, we'll check the first one. Sentence. Coding in Python is fun. New. New equal to sentence dot replace function is used. Fun will be replaced with awesome. If I try to print new, coding in Python is awesome. Okay. Sentence. Again, we are going to find the index of the Python. We know that 1 2 3 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it should print 10. We used, yes, it is printed 10. Index function is used here. And the third last question, we have to convert into uppercase. It's very simple. We have to use upper function. Coding in Python is fun. Okay. We have two bonus questions actually. This is a challenge for you as you watch my previous videos. You have to solve this by yourself and add it in the comments. This is it for day 23, and in the next module we are going to learn about functions and modules. See you in next video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.